Hello friends, it is Summer Gehrke with Savvy Totes and 31 Gifts, and I am here with your product review of one of our new baby items called the multi-bottle thermal. Now, I love this product because it's not just for babies, it's not just for young mothers of young children, or in my case, old mothers of young children. Anyone can use this, but it is part of our newly launched baby line, Baby by 31, and I'm going to show you what's so awesome about this. So this multi-bottle thermal is shown in the Pixel Pop. This is a really fun print for boys. I mean, girls, you know, who love blue would love this, but it really is more of a boy pattern. It's got navies, it's got slate blues, charcoal gray, actually more of a light gray, but different blues and grays. And then the strap, which is adjustable, is navy. So it's a navy canvas adjustable strap. So you can make it short or you can wear it long. So what I love about this is that I can use it to hold 4 water bottles. So here in Arizona, it's hot. We're always on the go, always in the car. So I can just throw some ice packs in here and keep these or Gatorade bottles or juices or sippy cups, whatever beverage, you know, liqueurs, we drink a lot. You could fit 4, actually more, probably 5 or 6 liqueurs in here if you stack them. But this is also designed to fit 6 standard size baby bottles. So this really was designed for a baby item. You know, moms that just had their kids can take this to either daycare, or if they're home with their kids, they can take this out and about and have up to 6 standard size baby bottles in the thermal compartment. And again, you just throw some some ice packs in there and you're good to go. Now that is not all, okay? Wait, there's more. Look at the top. So this part that I just showed you zips closed, and then you have a separate compartment on top that also zips, and this is the snack compartment. So you can see that I've got my son's favorite snacks. We've got some goldfish, we have a Nutri-Grain bar, and some Annie's organic fruit snacks. And you can fit a lot more in there, but that is what I have right now. So you can put all of your dry snacks up there and zip that closed, and then you have got the perfect little out and about thermal slash snack compartment lunchbox. You can even put a sandwich up there, and you can put an apple and all that in here. If you like the more vertical shape, this is really awesome for you. We don't really have anything like this other than the picnic thermal tote, which is bigger. But again, if you are a mom that has to go back to work and your baby is going to daycare, this is great. And especially when paired with our ZOUT, our zip top Organizing Utility Tote, this actually is designed so that 2 of these can fit inside the zip top Organizing Utility Tote. So you take that whole set, you can then have up to 12 baby bottles if you have 2 of these, and then a bunch of snacks. Great for trips to grandparents, overnight trips. So this is the multi-bottle thermal Pixel Pop. It comes in 3 colors, 3 palettes, 3 designs, and it's $30. So hope you enjoy that. Comment below with what you want to know. I'll link the product below, and I hope you have a great day.